Alright, this is the demo of the crash notification program. Right now it's built for Android phones, and it will alert the emergency responders of detection of a crash or an accident. So this program is based on is for user profiles, and another program will actually detect the crash. Will send a broadcast to the phone that the crash has been detected, and this program will have the profiles of what to send, who to send it to, etc. So we have here's the emergency contact number. So the user will set this before the first thing they set is who to call. This is my number for this phone right here. We're going to demo that. The next is your alert method. You have the ability to send a text only, send a call, or send both. The number, if you do a call only, it won't send any information that you store. The text will. So we're going to do both. So here is the user profile. We can have multiple profiles, or we can just have one. This one is the username. So you enter your username. Our name here is dummy test. You can set your blood type. So if you know that would be great for the emergency responders. So I'm going to set that to AB negative. You can put in your address for your family. So once the emergency responders are known, they can call your family. Okay, and then last we have is any additional information you want to require to help the emergency responders know what's wrong with you and how to help you easier. Right now we have set to diabetes. We have a diabetes patient, and we have some allergies we can set. All right, so this is a profile for the crash notification. So we're going to go out and set a simulate a crash. What happens? And we're going to call this phone right here. Okay, so right now we have 3 different crash simulations: a high severity, medium severity, and an unknown crash. So we're going to go ahead and execute the high severity crash. The difference between the two is just the time it takes. The high severity crash is 10 seconds, the medium crash is like 15, and the unknown is a 30-second crash. So what's inside of each one is, I'm going to stop real quick. If a crash has been detected, there'll be a countdown. We have an alert button and a stop button. We made these pretty big for the users, so just in case if they wanted to physically touch these buttons, they can stop it or alert it, or we have a countdown that'll automatically do the alert to whoever you set the phone number to. So we go back and then redo the crash severity high one. Alright, so when we execute this, you can see the timer. And this, I think, is going to do a call and a text. So, alright, so it's going to call this number over here, this phone. Oh. Go back. Alright, well, this is the text. We just received the text. You can see it says accident crash has been detected with a latitude and longitude, so it has your location of the crash, so emergency responders will know exactly where the crash is and where you are. And also it has your profile, so your name, your address, your blood type, and the stuff we set in the profile of the additional information. So this kind of crash notification will be useful for everybody who's driving, just in case they get in an accident. They can run this in the background, and it has the ability to detect if there's a false positive. The user can have any input to stop the notification from going through. Once again, crash notification. All right, what we're going to do is show the phone because it didn't work. So select the method. We're going to do a call number. So we put in our information already. And we're going to simulate a crash and call this phone. So we'll go to unknown severity, which has like 10 seconds. We're going to go ahead and push alert. So it's going to call. And there it goes. So we can answer it. We can talk to each other. Anyways, there we go. So that's the call for the crash notification.